Okay, fans, YouTube fans, and Facebook fans. Good evening. What's that sound? So Miguel Borres, I'm still watching your attitude towards me. A guy with strong muscles is flopping over a guy who doesn't have muscles? Miguel, who are you? Really? You're not even a brother. Raven is a brother, but only mistake he does today, he lost my research. So let him do a rematch again. Who's that? I hear something. And I heard something also on my feet. So Job Benicio, my new security guard. So you want me to make this video for you so that you remember my face, my speech? Say hi to my house. Jacqueline, I'll date with you tomorrow. Yeah, you're still cute. Why are you sad this morning during gift giving? And why did you laugh during music time when... Yeah, I'm watching you. I cannot say the name. Because these long nails will match your long nails. Even when I have research exam. Right in the middle of the core. With this new haircut. Yeah, I'll date with you tomorrow. Oh, it's 9:50. I didn't see that. First time. Hi, mom. Collapse, no. Yeah, she slept. She didn't take vitamins and... Did she drink Pediasure, mom?
No, mommy, all time full is good. Baby, you're sleeping na, ha? Baby. Baby.
Wait, mom, she's sleeping. She's really sleeping.
Baby.
I said, mom, she's really sleepy. Nice beard. Just don't mind. Jacqueline, I'll find a way to picture with you. Since our last moments in school will be started this week. Okay, mindset ready. Braun Strowman, Finn Balor, Kane, Elias Sampson, Cedric Alexander, Roman Reigns, Jason Jordan, Kurt Angle, Triple H, Gun Warfare. Just kidding. So Job, thank you for being a new security guard to me. If you can meet me in SAG, better. Good luck in your research defense and good luck defending my plant when I'm graduated. Yeah. I believe that. Mustache time. Yeah, Job. You're even the closest guy to me. Nice attire that you wear and nice haircut. There in gyms. K2K fans. Oh, Junjun Morata, you too. You're supporting Job, but sometimes only. And also, Danielle Sumbing. He did a running man. He did a blooper face. Nah, next time I'll video clip him when I have time because I'm busy with the third quarter. Oh my gosh, all throughout the universe. This is Sprint G Spinoza live here in Puerto Real debut. Have a night, guy. Have a nice night and have a nice day. Special God bless. Good night, guys. Last video. Got the night real. It's almost exam starting tomorrow, and good luck on music on Friday. Christmas party. SPSP. Thank you.